So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. So you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. There's also going to be 3 links down below in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an Nvidia graphics card, so I got the Nvidia app. And now once you're on our software, you want to go to the driver tab and then click on check for updates. If your graphics card has any updates, then you want to install them. Hopefully this will fix your problem. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to search for Monetarian. Click on enter. You want to find this application right here, Monetarian. Click on it. You want to download this. After you install it, we can now go to search and type in Monetarian. We're going to open it now. It should now appear in the bottom right of your taskbar. If you don't see it, then click on the arrow. It should now be right here, and you can drag it here if you want to. And we can now click on it, and you can now adjust your monitor brightness through here.